What was the first thing that you did when you heard about the Twin Towers on 9/11? I raced straight to my TV and I was glued to it for days. When anything big like that happens, we want information and we want to know what's going on. So what happens in the future if we have a power grid failure? Where are we going to go to get our information to find out what's going on in the world? Today I'm going to hook up a TV antenna to the house, and then I'm going to hook that up to a battery-powered TV. So this is the antenna that I purchased. This one has 80 miles, and I live not too far outside of Atlanta, so that's going to be just fine for me. All right, the antenna is put together, and now all we have to do is install it. Okay, that antenna is up, it's been installed, and we've got the cable going into the house, and so now what I'm going to do is use an app to find a signal using RCA Signal Finder. Okay, I put in my current location, it's loading. I'm gonna go ahead and select all of those. CBS, Fox, NBC, ABC, PBS, and hit next. So when I angle this and point it right there in that direction, I should be able to pick up the channels that I'm looking for. So now all I have to do is just make sure that my antenna is facing the same direction, which I kind of cheated earlier, and it is. So check it out. Should be spot on. So here is our battery-powered TV, and it has its own antenna that we're facing towards the direction on the RC Finder that I showed you earlier. So we're going to see if this little antenna is going to do just as well as the one that we installed on the house.
That can be severe.
So with the built-in antenna that this one comes with, I'm not getting my local channels, and it is kind of cutting in and out. And so I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to the antenna that we attached to the house and see if I have any better luck. Okay, so I'm back in the house, and I'm still just kind of getting these cutesy little channels, which are fun, but not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to disassemble the antenna that it came with, and I'm going to attach it to the one I put through the wall earlier. This one. So here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, so right away it stopped receiving signal. So I went ahead and screwed this into my exterior antenna. Now I need to do another little search to see if we can find the channels that I'm looking for. So now we're doing a new scan. Let's see what we can find. There we go. I found what I was looking for. Yes. So I found my local news, and it's coming through brilliantly on my exterior antenna. This works great. So one of the things to really consider is, now this is on battery, so how do we charge that if there's no electricity, right? Well, I've got a great little solar charger that works great. Another question might be, well, what if it's an EMP? Will this work? Well, you know, if I have this maybe wrapped up in a Faraday bag, I might have better luck that way. So, you know, all in all, it's not a bad picture. It does go in and out a little bit, and I can tell that it is pretty windy outside right now, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Ultimately, this is a great product. I can also get FM radio to kind of listen to what's going on. So, battery-powered, backup television hooked into an outdoor antenna, rock on. I love it. Turned out pretty well. I'm very happy with it. So if this is something that you have done or are going to try out, please hit me up. I want to know all about it, and I will see you next time.